In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean data and extract unique values in Google Sheets with trim, unique, and IFERROR. Let's get started by opening your Google Sheets document so you can follow along in real time. First, we'll clean up messy spacing using the trim function. Extra spaces, especially leading, trailing, or double spaces between words, can break lookups and cause duplicates to slip through. Click into an empty cell and type equals trim, then open parenthesis, your cell reference, and close parenthesis. For example, equal trim A1. Press Enter to see the cleaned result. If your data is in a column, you can apply trim to multiple cells by entering the formula in the first row and filling it down. This ensures the text is standardized before you do anything else. When your spreadsheet relies on consistent text, everything downstream works better. Next, let's extract unique values from a list. Click into another empty cell and type unique A1, A10, adjusting the range to match your data. Unique scans the range and returns only the distinct entries, removing duplicates. This is perfect for creating clean lists of names, categories, or IDs from raw data. If your range includes blanks, unique may include or collapse them depending on the content, so it's a good idea to reference the exact portion of your data that matters. Now, you may see errors occasionally, for example, if a referenced range is empty, or a formula can't return a result. To keep your sheet readable, wrap your formulas with IFERROR. The pattern is IFERROR, your formula. Error message. If the formula runs fine, you'll see the normal result. If not, you'll see the friendly message you provided instead of an error code. This is especially helpful when sharing sheets with others, because spacing issues can cause values to look different even when they aren't. Think apple versus apple. It's best practice to trim your data before you run unique. That way, duplicates that differ only by stray spaces are properly consolidated. Finally, combine all three into a single reliable formula. In a clean cell, type IFERROR unique trim A1 A10 no data. This sequence cleans the text, pulls distinct values, and gracefully handles any errors by showing no data. Adjust the range so it covers your actual list, and you're done. With this approach, your results stay tidy, accurate, and user-friendly, even as your source data changes.